Welcome back to Spy Garage.
The introduction of a fictitious 2026 Rolls-Royce super long limousine motorhome instantly conjures up a vision of unmatched elegance expertly merged with the roomy potential of a recreational vehicle. Such a design would promise a vacation experience unlike any other by combining the freedom and space that come with a motorhome with the brand's well-known luxury and custom craftsmanship. The appearance of this remarkable car would surely exude the classic style and commanding presence that are associated with Rolls-Royce. The front fascia would probably be dominated by the recognizable Pantheon grille, with carefully planned lighting components on either side. The super long limousine feature implies a longer wheelbase, which serves as the basis for a roomy living area. Its bespoke origins would be further highlighted by the bodywork's expected smooth, flowing lines, deep, glossy paint finish, and perhaps hand-painted coachlines. The vehicle's elegant appearance would be preserved by the discreet incorporation of motorhome essentials like flush-mounted windows and hidden service hatches. The 2026 Rolls-Royce super long limousine motorhome's inside would be a haven of exquisitely designed luxury. The finest leathers, unique wood veneers, and custom metal inlays, all painstakingly put together by skilled artisans, would likely be used extensively. A formal parlor room, a separate study or office, and luxurious sleeping quarters are just a few examples of the discreet, richly furnished areas suggested by the limousine feature. A luxuriously built shower, a gourmet kitchenette that is subtly integrated, and plenty of storage that is skillfully hidden would all contribute to the motorhome feel. Climate control, entertainment, and networking would all be elegantly and intuitively managed by advanced technology that was completely integrated. The ride experience would be crucial given the Rolls-Royce heritage. Anticipate a cutting-edge suspension system designed to provide the brand's renowned magic carpet ride, which isolates passengers from the road's flaws. Easy cruising would be made possible by a strong but whisper-quiet engine, guaranteeing a calm and elegant trip. An incredibly peaceful internal atmosphere would result from careful sound insulation. An even higher degree of customization is possible because the super long moniker suggests an abundance of room. Unique amenities like a specially designed wine cellar, a carefully curated art gallery, or improved security systems may be commissioned by owners. Every element would be painstakingly planned and performed to the highest degree, creating an atmosphere of subtle grandeur. To sum up, the 2026 Rolls-Royce super long limousine motorhome is a fictitious example of the ultimate in mobile luxury. It envisions a car that offers a distinctive fusion of stately elegance, custom craftsmanship, and the freedom of unfettered movement, going beyond traditional ideas of both limos and motorhomes. The most discriminating customers, looking for an unmatched and incredibly comfortable means of travel, would surely be satisfied by such a creation.